Hello guys, my name is Olga Van Light and today we are talking about iRobot Braava Jet. And yes guys, this is actually a separate robot mop which is great if you do have a variety of different floors like wood, tile and stone. And yes guys, it does clean all hard floor types. The Braava Jet robot mop is designed to mop and sweep all hard floor surfaces including hardwood, tile and stone. Always follow manufacturer or installer instructions when cleaning your floors. And yes, guys, it tackles dirt and stains with precision jet spray that loosens dirt and stains. Before it sprays, Braava Jet searches for obstacles in its path to help protect furniture, rugs, and walls. Tested in wet mode on dried coffee and soda. Precision jet spray used only in wet mopping and dump sweeping modes. Also, guys, it actually gently scrubs the floors and it comes with a vibrating cleaning head that gently scrubs dirt and stains. And vibrating cleaning head used only in wet mopping and dump sweeping modes, and it tested in wet mode on dried coffee and soda. It also navigates hard to reach places and mops and sweeps small spaces such as kitchens and bathrooms with an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. With its square shape and compact size, Braava Jet gets under and around toilets, into corners and below cabinets. So what you would do, you would attach a pad and just press clean, and Braava Jet automatically selects correct cleaning method based on pot type. Simply attach the pot of your choice and press clean on the robot. Then you can choose from wet mopping, dump sweeping and dry sweeping paths. And yes guys, never you would ever have to touch the dirt. Eject and discard Braava Jet cleaning pads at the push of a button without ever having to touch grime or grit. Just press the easy pad eject button and drop the pad into the trash. And yes guys, it actually goes only where you want it to go. You can actually create an invisible boundary with the built-in virtual wall mode to keep Braava Jet in rooms without a door, such as kitchens and entryways. And it does clean with care. It remembers obstacles in its path and slows down to gently clean along furniture and walls. Plus, Braava Jet avoids stairs and riding up the rugs. And yes, guys, absolutely love it, and I hope that all of you will be able to appreciate it as well, because again, guys, it can actually work in or without a sequence with your existing iRobot. So definitely check it out. And as you can see, it actually creates very nice shine on your floors, and because of its small size, it actually can go around the toilets. It can go around all kind of tight spaces. Absolutely love it, and I hope that all of you would be able to appreciate it as well, because it is a superior robot mop with a precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning head, helps tackle dirt and stains. It gets into hard reach places including under and around toilets, into corners and below cabinets using an efficient systematic cleaning pattern. It navigates under and around all kind of objects and furniture. It also automatically selects the correct cleaning mode based on the Braava Jet pad type. You can choose from wet mopping, dump mopping, and dry sweeping. For long-lasting scent, add Braava Jet hard floor cleaning solution. And yes, guys, it can smell like eucalyptus or lemon or peach. Again, it is up to you. And yes, it mops and sweeps finished hard floors including hardwood, tile and stone. It is ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. And maximized edge design gets into corners and along edges. It cleans under furniture and in other hard to reach places. With the easy pad eject button, you'll never touch grime or grit on the cleaning pad. You create an invisible boundary with a built-in virtual wall to keep Braava Jet in rooms without a door, such as kitchens and entryways. And yes, guys, what you'll find in a box is one Braava Jet robot mop, one rechargeable lithium-ion battery, one battery charger, two wet mopping pads,